Hey photographers, if you are new to Pinterest and wondering how to set it up the right way, then this video is for you. I'm breaking down the 5 exact steps to get you started so your account is ready to attract dream clients without confusion. First, you need a Pinterest business account. It's free and it gives you the access to analytics and ad tools, even if you aren't going to use ads. Because in the ads tool is where you can find a ton of good keywords. And most importantly, to get credibility on the platform. If you already have a personal Pinterest account and you don't want to have to log into a business account and a personal account, no worries. You can convert your personal account to a business account as long as you make sure that you secret personal boards like my sourdough recipes or vacation spot secrets, whatever that is. That way you keep everything in one place and it's super easy to log in. But you need to have a business account. Step number 2, claim your website. Next up, claim your website. This tells Pinterest you own the content and lets you track clicks and impressions, and most importantly, those outbound clicks, which I think are the money clicks. Those are the clicks of people going to your website and driving traffic to your website. So it makes Google happy too. And it also gives your pins more authority. I have a step-by-step video on how to do this, and I will link it below or somewhere up in here. Step number 3, do your keyword research. This is the most important step. And most people spend like 15 or 20 minutes on it. And it's something that you want to really take your time on. Spend an hour or two. You want to repeat this process every 6 months or so because keywords change. This is really super important. Pinterest is a search engine, or what I like to call a search marketing platform, just like YouTube and just like Google. It is definitely not social media. So keywords really matter. Think about what your ideal clients are searching for. What are they typing in that keyboard to be able to find your content? Brand photo outfit ideas, wedding flat lay inspiration, family photo poses with toddlers, how to prepare for a family photo shoot or a brand photo shoot, or one that's really important is how to prepare mom and newborn for newborn photos, right? Those are the things that your clients are probably asking you about time and time and time again. Those are the things that you want to make blogs to, because eventually all of those blogs that are on the educational side can totally go into a welcome guide that you can send to your clients so you don't have 85,000 questions. You're going to use Pinterest's search bar to see what autofills in that drop-down menu. That's really Pinterest telling you exactly what people are searching for. You can use these keywords in your profile, in your board names, in all of the descriptions from your profile to board to pins, pin titles. You want to use it in the graphic, what you name that graphic. Like everywhere is all searchable on Pinterest, which is amazing because a lot of this work is done behind the scenes without you even having to do it. Step 4, optimize your profile. Now you have your keywords, it is time to plug them in. Your profile name should include your name, your niche, and the location, where you're physically located. So I'm in San Jose, so I can use San Jose, I could use Santa Clara County, I could use Bay Area, I could use Northern California. There's a lot of names for my little area. And so you want to pick one that your ideal client is searching for. Can you get booked in other cities and be a travel photographer? Absolutely. But your profile on Pinterest should support your actual location. As an example, you can have brand photographer in the Bay Area and then that little up and down line, Jen, something like that would work. Your profile description should say who you serve, and that should be the first piece, what the people are going to see to look at your account and go, I'm in the right place, right? Always start with your ideal client. As an example, I help high school, I don't, but I help high school seniors who are nervous in front of the camera in the Bay Area feel confident and celebrated through stress-free photo sessions and timeless images. From outfit planning to posing, I guide you every step of the way. Follow for senior photo inspiration, session tips, and location ideas that bring your vision to life. That's an example. Yours is going to be completely you. You don't want to copy someone else's. And the formula is who you serve, where you serve them, and how you're different. That's exactly what you want to focus on for your profile description. You want to make sure that you have a branded profile photo. I will note, you're photographers, so you know good photography. We don't want dark. We don't want a full length, full body photo. We want a headshot. If you have a camera in there, more power to you, because that's something quick that people can identify that you're a photographer, but it's not necessary. And this is my favorite tip to give. Whatever profile photo you use on Pinterest, you want to use on all your social media platforms, because a part of the buying process, oftentimes when they click on your information in Pinterest and they go to your website, if they're interested in working with you, they will typically go to Instagram and find out more about you. You want to make sure that those profile images match so they know they're in the right place. Bonus, connect your Instagram for extra visibility and extra information. So anything you post on Instagram will auto post to Pinterest. If someone clicks on it, they're going to go to your Instagram so they can start following you. So it's kind of like a double win, and I definitely recommend it. Step 5, create 4 starter boards. You can have many boards, but you should have these 4 boards if you're a photographer on your Pinterest site. So the last step is to create your first 4 boards. These act like content buckets and tell Pinterest what your content is about. Here is what I recommend to get started. First, you want a board that has your business name, Jen Vasquez Photography. And you're going to basically, every single thing that you create is going to eventually go to that board. But it is really helpful when people search for your business name and they're on Google searching for it. They're going to see your website. They're going to see Pinterest. They're going to see your Pinterest board. It gives you this visibility and credibility, because when they search for it, they see all of this information, which means you're active and working. Second board should be called free insert your niche resources, like free brand photography resources or wedding planning tips. Another resource board could be what to wear for family photos or wedding color palettes. Finally, the 4th board, you want to make sure that you have 2 boards for each area that you photograph. So if you're a family photographer and a newborn photographer and a maternity photographer, you want to have 2 boards for each of them. Maternity session outfit ideas. And then another one could be maternity session poses. Those are the kind of big searched for ones. And you want to have 2 different title boards for each niche that you have. So if you're just a wedding photographer, you're going to have 2 boards. You're going to end up making more boards. Obviously, if you're a wedding photographer, there's so many. I can't even go into that. That'll be another video. But you want to be able to make sure that you're covering all the niches that you have. These boards will help guide your audience and boost SEO visibility from day one. That's it. Those are the tips I give to any photographer who's just jumping onto Pinterest. And those 5 steps will give your Pinterest account a very strong foundation to start bringing in leads while you sleep. Comment Cloud Spot below, and I will send you the link for a 4-week workshop that I did for photographers in the Cloud Spot community, and it's totally free. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.